Hey, hey, powerful manifestors. Happy New Year. May this New Year bring you lots of prosperity, abundance, and let's welcome the New Year with a big smile and a lovely vibration which will align us to our desires. Okay, so guys, today I'm going to share with you my experience, or rather my story, on how I manifested traveling first class without having the money. Okay, so let me just tell you that whenever we think of a desire, we always think, if money is involved, we always think about the money involved, and we are focused just about how it's going to happen because we don't have that much of money. Okay, we have to focus on the desire. Okay, so now let me just go ahead and tell you, I did this the never got out style. But when I actually manifested this travel, I that time was new to manifesting. I was learning manifesting. Okay, and it happened that one of my friend wanted to travel to another destination, and she was telling me we'll travel by train. It was for her work, so I said fine. And in between of those days when she told me, I was just imagining myself. I had no any desire or intention to travel by train. Okay, I always wanted to fly by plane. Okay, so I remember one day I just got lost in my thoughts. I closed my eyes and I just put on YouTube one of the videos. I looked how first class looked. Okay, and I imagined traveling by first class. I just imagined sitting. I was just looking in front of me, the plane, the things like that. And I also imagined my best friend with me. Okay, now when I imagined this, I did not imagine her paying for the cost. Nothing. Okay, my only intention was that one day I want to travel with this young lady in first class. So that's what I imagined. And I just felt so lovely. I just felt it's really happening. And I told myself, I deserve this. And that's it. You know? And at that point of time, it was not like I was in need of traveling by plane, okay? I was okay with going by train, but plane would just be, manifesting your desires. But I was not after, like, that it should happen right now. There was no need. Okay, so then being no need there, I one day I received a call from my friend. She said, you know what, let's travel by plane. So I was excited. I was really excited because we were traveling, like, by plane, and that's what I just love sitting in a plane and traveling and looking at the clouds and sky and all the experience out there. So we landed at the airport, and suddenly we went for our boarding, and we heard two numbers being called out saying, please report to the air hostess at the boarding. So we were just there at the ground, report to the ground staff. So um, I was a little nervous because I have not traveled that much, but I have traveled by plane, but not that much. I was wondering what must have gone wrong. So she announced just two numbers. Okay, we looked at our tickets and we were shocked. It was our number. Okay, the serial number was our number. We were like in shock, in terrible shock. And then we went, and then she says, congratulations, ma'am, you have been shifted to business class. Okay, and we were like in total shock. And we were like, but then we asked her, do we have to pay something extra? She said, no, it's free. You have been upgraded, it's free. We were like, okay, wow, it was like amazing. And then we got in, and I will tell you, it was the first time I've actually seen how business class looks like. I felt the luxury. Okay, the flight was from one state to another, but still, I manifested that, and it was really amazing. And they offered us snacks, which I had imagined in my imagination. They offered us muffin with hot dog and juice. Okay, mango juice, and coconut water. I remember that. So, guys, that was my travel. I'll tell you another incident the same day. We traveled back the same day to our home state, and in the evening. And I remember previously when I was traveling, I did not know what manifesting. My mind was full of lack. Okay, the previous time I traveled. Uh, so I remember wanting to eat a sandwich. Okay, and I remember asking the cost, it was way too much. It was like around 300 rupees in Indian money, which is a lot of money in India for a sandwich. Okay. So I said, no, I won't buy that. And that was almost a year before I actually traveled. But this time when I was traveling, in the plane, I remember I just felt the taste of sandwich on my lips. I felt it in my tongue. I just imagined me eating that sandwich. I just imagined with no intention of getting it, okay? And when I was traveling back, the air hostess comes to us and says, "You have been offered free lunch or I don't know, sandwiches." I was like shocked. I mean, really, this is how manifesting works. And then I recollect, oh, I have manifested this. I actually manifested this. So, guys, I manifested a free travel, an upgrade to business class, along with that, the hot dog and everything, and also when coming back, sandwiches. So I manifested just everything. Okay, guys, how I have manifested. Okay, you too are manifesting your thoughts, your desires. Now this year has been, hairy, scary. Things have gone up and down. But I want to tell you, stay strong, keep saying I'm healthy, believe in your desire, believe that, okay, even if planes are not working right now, no problem. I can still feel I'm flying. I can still feel I'm traveling to another place. Okay? And trust me, stay strong, stay focused, stay happy. Okay? Everything is going to get to normal. Okay? I know it's not easy when you look around, but be strong. The universe always wants you to be happy and always wants you to be abundant, with good health, and full of prosperity. So stay focused, be happy. Lots of love to all of you. Bless you. Take care. And until the next video, happy traveling, guys. It will come soon. Okay? Take care.